how you can add videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat from your camera roll. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, you just need to swipe up. After you swipe up, you will see camera roll option. Just tap on it. And right there, just find your video. And after you find your video, long press on it. Now there you will see more option right below. Tap on more and there you will see hide video My Eyes Only option. Tap on it. Now you might want to set up your My Eyes Only. All you need to do is just type in your password. Just select a password. Make sure that you select the password that you remember, and after you do so, just tap on continue and you have just set up your My Eyes Only. Now you can move videos and even photos to My Eyes Only. So that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.